back to actually a normal video today. Fishing. See that little red bobber in that duck? We're fishing for duck kidding. But the babies are gonna be here too. Yeah. You get the point. We're gonna be fishing once I maybe get a bite. Guys, I think something just pulled my bait off. I'm gonna check. Oh, I'm getting hammered. I'm gonna check my bait. Hold on, I'll be back once I check it. Bro, he destroyed my worm. Do you see that? I'm gonna get another worm on this and then check back with y'all once I possibly get another bite or catch. Status update. I get hooked on a tree branch. I don't know how big. Snaps my line. Grabs line in water. That line snaps. Grabs my bobber. I grabbed the tree limb last second because it started sinking. I pulled out a 30-pound tree limb. It was to the bank to like 5 foot past that tree. It was ginormous. We put it there, but it grown or something. Like, it was not that big. Maybe the water expanded it. Yeah, probably. But, who cares? But, yeah. So I think that's gonna tell us to stop. I'll catch y'all next time. We are going to catch a fish. Trust me.